Welcome to this class. Here we're going to see how you can bypass Samsung A02 FRP or latest Samsung running on Android 11. You know some Samsung chip now are using MTK instead of Qualcomm. So let's check whether this phone is on FRP before we bypass it. Just connected it to internet to a hotspot. So let's check. Use my Gmail account. It's asking for verify your accounts using Gmail. So first of all, you have to disassemble the phone. Be careful about that. Avoid destroying the phone. So let's open UMT Pro dongle, MTK interface, and Ultimate Multi-Tool, MTK 5.0, or click on Reset FRP and click Execute. So once you lose the phone, this is the test point. You connect the test point together and connect your USB to system. Make sure you have installed the drivers. And most of the time, if you install UMT MTK, it comes with MTK drivers. Good. The phone is connected. And FRP reset is done. So let's power the phone and see whether it will work. Otherwise, you do it again or look for another alternative. So power the phone now. The phone is coming on. Yeah, this phone says welcome. So tap on start. Tap on accept. Then tap on next. You just follow the screen instruction, then tap on next again so that we can bypass connecting to. So it's checking for all it. You have to wait for a little while. Tap on don't copy. Don't copy. Because if you select copy, it will ask you for another Samsung phone you have you want to copy data from. The speed of this depends on it. Good. So you say create account. So you can skip now. Otherwise you can enter any account now. So it has worked. Or skip again. You can enter your account. Accept. Then skip. Or you put your password or PIN or fingerprint or whatever. Yeah, I don't want to install anything now. So tap next. Getting your phone ready. After that, you are good to go. Say please wait. Or you can enter your Samsung account. Otherwise, you skip it or create one. Or skip. Or you can enter if you have or create one. Or skip again. You are all set up. Good, it's done. So you wait for the apps icon to load and you are good to go.